Hi, this is Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Sierra Q, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, bottle cleaning brushes, and 3 reasons you should get this. Reason number 1, this is good for cleaning narrow neck bottles. And it doesn't have to be just bottles. If you've got one of those gallon jugs with a long straw in the middle to get down to the bottom of the jug, this is one of the brushes you're going to need because you need to get the top of that plastic tube cleaned out every once in a while. Reason number 2, there's 10 brushes in this pack ranging from a 1/16 of an inch to 1 inch. Now that's, and if you work in metric, that's 2 to 24 millimeters. Reason number 3, the bristles are made with nylon, so this should help minimize any scratching, especially if you're working with something that either has a decorative pattern to it or there's some sort of labeling or decaling or something that you don't want to risk damaging. And these bristles, I've used this in the past, have done a pretty good job in getting it done as best you can without getting really aggressive. So take a look at these, and I think you'll want to add these to your kitchen tools.